Hello, my name is Gabriella Mittelman and I'm going to analyze the apple. Everybody is asking himself how long the apple will go up. So I made a little work here and I want to show you what I have found. So this is the monthly chart of the apple, and we see that in April 2003, Apple made the bottom at 633. 4 years later, in December 2007, it made the top at 193.96. So I wrote here the top was 193.96, bottom 633. The range between them is 187.63. So I draw here a gun square, and if I divide the price range to 8, what gun used to do, I get an increment of 23.45. So what do we do with that? We know that everything moves in cycles, so I took this square and I multiplied it by 3 and by 4. By multiplying by 3, I got a level of 581, and by 4, 774. And the share now trades at 670. So it is in between. The midpoint between the two squares, this is the 3 gun squares and it is 4 gun squares. The midpoint between the 3 and the 4 gun square is 678.16. So this should be a midpoint, which I see that it was already reached, and the target was reached. So this is the midpoint in 2 gun squares. If I want to see time wise where are we now, please disregard this 247, because I made an Excel file and I got exactly 245 trading units. So counted 245 trading units from the last top till the future. I got that the next 245 trading units or weeks will be, or was already 2 days ago, at September 7. So trade-wise, price-wise and time-wise, we got to the target. So if I want to look at the of the share, technically there are a lot of indicators that we can check, but first of all I always would check the volume, because money moves the world around, as we know. And we can see here that since the last stop in early this year, the volume is going down and down and down. And also, although the share went up, the MFI, the money flow index, shows us that the money is getting out of the share. It is still strong because it is at 84, as we can see down here. It is still strong, but it can always show us that money is going out, so we should watch it. So what I wanted to show you, that although the share can run up to 774, but now we are at the cross point, at the crossroad, time-wise and price-wise. So take this in consideration if you are trading this share, which is one of the most expensive shares in the market. So if you want to read more, you can visit my blog at Astrology and the Market blogspot, and also comment or say what you think and what you trade, and see you there.